Hello and welcome to our lesson on learning the names of wild animals in English. Today, we will be exploring some of the most common wild animals and their names in English. This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to expand their vocabulary and knowledge of the animal kingdom. So, let's get started. Let's begin with some of the most common wild animals. First up, we have the lion. Lions are known for their majestic manner and ferocious roar. They are also the king of the jungle and are found in Africa. Cub. A baby lion is called a cub. Next, we have the tiger. Tigers are the largest of all the big cats and are known for their beautiful stripes. They are found in Asia and are very dangerous predators. Cub. A baby tiger is called a cub. Leopard. The leopard is a member of the cat family. They are found in sub-Saharan Africa and in Western and Central Asia. Black leopard. We called it black panther or black jaguar. They are found in sub-Saharan Africa and in Western and Central Asia. Puma. Puma, and we called it cougar. It's a large cat native to the Americas. Cheetah. Cheetah is a large cat native to Africa. It is the fastest animal in the world. Wolf. Wolf. Hyena. Hyena. Fox. Fox. Boar. Boar, it's a wild pig. Boar, also known as the wild swine. We have the bear. Bears are found in different parts of the world and are known for their strength and size. They come in different types like grizzly bear, polar bear, and black bear. Panda. Panda. Moving on, we have the elephant. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world and are known for their long trunks and tusks. They are found in Africa and Asia and are known for their intelligence and gentle nature. Rhino. Rhino. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Next, we have the giraffe. Giraffes are known for their long necks and spotted coats. They are found in Africa and are the tallest animals in the world. Zebra. Zebra. Ike. 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 Monkey. Monkey. Gorilla. Gorilla. Deer. Deer. Antelope. Antelope. Impala. Impala. Reindeer. Reindeer. Oryx. Oryx. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Koala. Koala. Anteater. Anteater, known for eating ants and termites. Badger. Badger. Raccoon. Raccoon. Rabbit. Rabbit. Leveret. Leveret. Baby rabbit. Beaver. Beaver. Aardvark. Aardvark. Hedgehog. Hedgehog. Porcupine. Porcupine. Chameleon. Chameleon. Lizard. 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 Snake. Snake. Eagle. Eagle. Owl. Owl. Quail. Quail. Flamingo. Flamingo. Bat. Bat. Duck. Duck. Duckling. Duckling, baby duck. Duckling. Goose. Goose. Swan. Swan. Ostrich. Ostrich. Vulture. Vulture. Lion. Cube, baby lion. Tiger. Cube, baby tiger. Leopard. Cube, baby leopard. Cheetah. Puma. Black leopard. Wolf. Fox. Cube, baby fox. Hyena. Bear. Cube, baby bear. Panda. Elephant. Calf, baby elephant. Rhino. Calf, baby rhino. Hippopotam. Giraffe. Zebra. Calf, baby zebra. Deer. Fawn. Impala. Reindeer. Antelope. Oryx. Kangaroo. Joey, baby kangaroo. Rabbit. Leveret, baby rabbit. Monkey. Gorilla. Boar. Boar. Koala. Squirrel. Chipmunk. Badger. Raccoon. Aardvark. Beaver. Anteater. Porcupine. Hedgehog. Snake. Chameleon. Lizard. Eagle. Quail. Flamingo. Bat. Owl. Ostrich. Vulture. Swan. Duck. Goose. So, there you have it, some of the most common wild animals and their names in English. Learning the names of animals is not only fun, but it also helps you to communicate better and expand your vocabulary. We hope you enjoyed this lesson and have learned something new today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.